Namaste and welcome to this yoga practice that is a perfect morning routine for mornings where things need to go a little bit fast, but you still would like to mobilize and stretch your full body. Obviously, this practice can also be done at any other part of the day to whenever you want to give your body, your mind and your spirit a little treat. By the way, my name is Svenja and I'm happy to guide you through this practice. Let's get started and standing in the center of our mat. Feet are together, palms are together in front of our chest, thumbs are lightly touching heart. Underarms are straight, so make sure to bring your palms down nicely and just close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Deep inhale. Slow, gentle exhale. Take this moment to connect to yourself, to connect to your body, your breath and your spirit. Allow your mind to calm and to bring your focus, your attention in this moment, this practice here now. And when you're ready, slowly, gently open your eyes. Beautiful. We bring our right foot out and rotate our feet. Breathe into the movement, connect your breath with the movement and switch direction. And switch foot, right foot is firmly in ground, left foot comes out. Rotate. Find your balance. Switch direction. Beautiful. And bring your foot back. Bring your right foot into your thigh. Now, if your balance is a little bit challenged, just place your foot on the lower part of your left leg. Make sure you don't place it on knee level, so you don't want to press against the knee. So it's either below knee if you're a bit challenged in the balance. If you can, bring it higher up into the thigh and just hold pranam again in front of your chest and balance in this tree position. Continue deep abdominal breathing. Your mind is calm. You can choose a point to focus on that will help you to maintain your balance. If you fall, it's not a problem. Just get back into the position and hold. It's beautiful. Switch. Right foot in ground, left foot comes up into the thigh. Ensuring we're nicely balanced. We're balanced in our body, we're balanced in our minds, in our spirits. Breathe. Beautiful. And release. Have your feet hip width apart and just rotate your hips. Draw some small circles. Allow your hips to open up and switch direction. Enjoy it. Beautiful. Release. Bring your body half down. Lengthen your spine, your legs want to be straight. Feel the stretch on the back of your legs. in your spine. Just hold there for a moment. And on the next inhale, bring yourself back up and slightly arch back. Have your hands on your lower back. Arch back. Hold there for 3, 2, 1, and come back down into table pose. Half down. Feel the stretch again, the back of your leg. And on the next inhale again, arch back slightly. Hold there for 3, 2, 1, and one final time. Come half down. Exhale and inhale. Go a little bit deeper this time. Arch back, open your back. And exhale, release. Beautiful. Rotate your shoulders, bring your fingertips onto your shoulders. And bring your elbows all the way together, touching in the front, opening up like that. And draw big circles. One more. Beautiful. And forward. Reverse the movements. Inhale up, exhale down. One final one. Beautiful. Bring your feet together. Come to the front of your mats. Inhale, go on your tippy toes. Exhale, bring your palms into the ground. Close to ground. If possible, place them firmly into ground. If you can't reach the ground, just hold onto your legs wherever far you can reach. And just feel the stretch on the back of your legs. If you can, bring your palms next to your feet firmly in ground. Step your right foot back, step your left foot back, and push yourself into downward dog. Step your legs out, alternate bending your knees. Allow yourself to arrive in this asana. Straighten your arms. You want to make sure your pelvis pushes up and to the back, towards the back, so your head and your chest is getting closer towards the ground. And once you feel ready, bring your heels, both heels together towards the ground, if possible, firmly into ground. Just hold there, feel the stretch. Beautiful. Bring your right foot next to your right palm. If you can't reach that far with your foot, then just go however far as you can, if possible. That's your practice then, to work your feet closer towards your palm. Try to get them into alignment. Your left knee comes down to ground. Twist to the side and push open your knee. Allow your pelvis to come closer to the mat so that your hip open up nicely. Beautiful. And we switch. Step back. Left foot comes forward, right knee on ground. Open up to the side. Breathe into the stretch. The mind is calm. And step back into downward dog. Bring your body forward into plank position. Slowly bring your knees down. Allow your upper body to come down and just place your body onto the ground. Bring your arms out. On the inhale, bring your arms and legs off the ground. Hold here for 3, 2, 1, and release. Take a deep inhale and exhale. And we go one more time. Bring hands and feet apart and lift up. Tense your full body. Hold it for 3, 2, 1. And release. Palms together in front of your head. Forehead rests on palms. Breathe balance. And we go one final time. Palms out, feet out, and on 3, 2, 1 we lift. Lift a little bit higher this time. And hold for 3, 2, 1, and release. Beautiful. Turn yourself onto your back. Lie down on your back. Bring your right knee up. Your right hand points towards the side. And bring your right knee. Left hand comes onto right knee and bring it down to the ground so you get a beautiful twist and stretch in your full spine, in your full body. Look towards your right side. Try to have your right shoulder on the ground and just bring the knee as close to ground as possible. Feel the twist, the stretch in your spine. Beautiful. Release. We switch side. Left knee comes up. Right hand grabs your left knee and brings it towards the ground. Look towards your left side. And again, go into the full twist. Breathe. Mind stays calm. Focus purely on breath. And allow your body to open up. Beautiful. Release. Bring your both feet into ground. Push your pelvis up. Bring your palms under your lower back. Pushing your lower back up so that you gain some more height. Bring your chest close towards your chin. Hold there for 3, 2, 1. And slowly release. Beautiful. Turn yourself towards your right side and slowly bring yourself up. Come seated in cross-leg position, Sukhasana. Rotate your shoulders to the back and to the front. Bring your right hand into sky and we lean towards the left side. Bring left palm into the ground and open your right side. Gain some length and breathe into that opening. We switch side, right hand into ground, left hand comes up and bend over. Open your left side, stretch. Beautiful. Release. Now just bring your chin onto your chest and rotate your head. Draw a big circle with your head. Inhale up. Exhale down. And last one. Inhale up. Exhale down. Pause in the center and switch direction. Draw a big circle from your right side. Opening up your neck. And slowly come back. Release. Beautiful. Your full body is now mobilized, energized, and ready for your day or the reminder of your day. if you got any value out of this practice, make sure to hit that like button and the subscribe button, and as well the notification button to make sure that you stay posted when new videos appear that will allow you to bring health, wealth and happiness into your life, for you to be able to live your best life and become your best version. Thank you for a beautiful practice. Namaste.